Hello, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a stickmin dance animation. First, click create button and wait a little bit. It's gonna delete this sprite one, and here I have a sprite. Name it stickmin. I'm name it, and let's name the project stickmin dance. That's gonna be cool. Okay, stickmin sleep, because there is gonna be two sprites. One sprite is sleeping stickmin and other sprite is animation. Okay, look, here is what we should do. Just a circle with nothing, and let's make like this, and you should move all them a little bit to make an animation like our stickman is dancing. Let's make it. Okay, I think this is ready. This is ready, and let's look. Make this when flag clicked show, and 50 times wait 0.03 seconds, and then next costume, and it will work actually. Okay, broadcast message 1 and make some music. I have this music, but I think I need to make something. No, I don't like this, but I think the bass drum. Oh, this is cool music, I like it. And share them. Like, okay. Look. And then he is sleeping. This is our stickman sleep. And the stickman sleep is sleeping, but if he is sleeping on the floor, we don't need to do this. So to make the bed, you should make some square, any color you wish. I'm going to make a Minecraft bed and pillow. Okay, let's make it smaller. It's a Minecraft bed, and let's make something like this. Okay, wait a bit. I should draw this like this and like this, and make 4 things. First one is like this, go back layer and back layer. Then we're gonna draw something like there and make them to go back layer and make them smaller. So it's a 3D bed. And let's move our pillow, our Minecraft bed like this. And here's our bed. Let's make our stickmin dance go here, and the other stickman go to the original 114 and minus 53. Look. Yes, but actually it's not the end. We should make a table and radio. Make a table with the same color of the bed and draw radio. This is actually so easy to draw radio, but if you are not the greatest drawer, type here radio, and here's the radio for you. You can make some sprite, for example 30 no, it's a baby radio. Okay, 50%, here 50 size, and here we go, radio. And here's the radio for you, and let's make when flag clicked forever. Not forever, but let's look 5 times. 5 times. Wait. 3 seconds. And the next costume. Let's look. Oh no, look. Radio is need to go back layer to make it look like it's a part of the background. They're part of the backdrop. And let's look what is. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And let's make something like a boom box. I don't know how to name it, but like this, convert it to bitmap and make it like increase a little bit. It's increased. Let's look. Yeah, it's working. Okay, and that is not all. We should make it, for example, switch to radio A and switch to radio B, not radio B, but radio A when there is the end of this animation. And let's make a backdrop more beautiful. Make it like wall, yellow wall, and he have a happy and happy bed. He have a happy bed, and let's make something like this. It's a window, sun. Let's make it circle, because I forget what I should have a circle. That everything is good. Okay, and let's make it more something like this, without any lines. And here we go, our sun. Let's choose this thing to make it with light effect and white. Here we go. The circles look like this is a light effect. And let's make some clouds, beautiful clouds without any light effect, because you know the cloud is looking like a cloud, no light effects. And make something like this curved cloud. Add some dots and use this instrument, not this. For this you just move in our things. Here just use this. Here we go, one cloud. Let's make a second. And look, I have an idea to make you not to draw cloud like that. Just click, choose a costume and cloud. Here we go. You can color it like white to make it and copy it. Yeah, I forget, you should copy it, because it won't work if you won't copy this cloud. Let's make it small. Okay, here it is. Let's make a door. For door we should have something like this and this. draw the door here and draw something here. And add this to make it more look beautiful. And also we almost forget to make the some shadows. Look, just choose this color and make it brightness on 100% if you have something like this color, like our door have, and make a saturation 38, or I wanna 29. That's all. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, and in our bed we should have it too. I will make 24. It's okay. And let's choose this effect. And here we should have like this strap. It means no, not anything. And let's make something like this. And let's make more look like a circle. Here we go. We have the stickmin. Look, here's our animation. It's ready. But I don't think so. You should make something dancing stickmin. Like this, choose this, copy, paste, and make it 10, and make white backdrop. This is gonna be our thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. If you don't know what the thumbnail is, it's the picture of the project. For example, look, I will show you what the thumbnail is. I have on profile featured projects. Featured projects is what you shoot. And here's the thumbnail of featured project. And thumbnail, for example, a house rubber animation. Thumbnail, it's really, if you want to be popular, it's really need to be beautiful. Okay, and go to your stuff. And here's my project, stickmin dance. Yeah, and you should call this right here stickmin dance with beautiful shrift. For example, I will use handwriting to make it more beautiful. And don't forget to make something like this here. Let's make it smaller, and we should go to here, stickmin dance. Stickmin dance. Let's make it white. And look, here's the life hack. We can't make some lights, but here's the life hack I told you. Click on this and choose here, black. Here we go. Beautiful, nice shrift. Okay, and look, it won't go when we are clicking the flag, but when the flag clicked, go front layer and ghost on 100%. And here we go. Click save project, and here we go. Your animation is ready. Look how it's working. go. Bye bye, my friends. See you in next tutorial.